In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Prime Video continue watching not updating. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable because Prime Video needs a proper sync to update your watch history. Next, try closing the app completely and reopening it, or if you're using a browser, refresh the page and log out and back into your Amazon account. Likewise, check for app update, navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Amazon Prime. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, you can clear the app cache. If you're using browser, clear browser cache and cookies, as corrupted temporary files can stop watch progress from syncing properly. If you're connected to VPN, proxy or any ad blocker, disable it. It can interfere with Amazon's region-based syncing system. Lastly, if nothing works, simply wait a bit as Prime Video service may be experiencing delays in updating watch history. That's it for this guide. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.